say it. That girl is a total disgrace to this family. Her mother never had her out of wedlock. Why would she give birth to a bastard for me in this house? Eh?
My brother, what can Obi? Wait to Obi, calm down. The mistake has been made a long time ago. What you should be thinking about now is how to remedy the situation and not crying over spilled milk.
Look at what remedy? What remedy are you talking about? I said it before, and I will repeat it over and over, that no daughter of mine will raise a bastard in my house.
My brother, wait to Kenobi, wait to see, calm down. But listen, this girl will not take this blame alone. No. You and I will share in taking this blame, because we as elders sat at home while children mistook vulture for kites. What did we do? Exactly. What did we do?
Exactly my point. I am doing something now. That is why I said Nkiru will not bring that bastard, that thing into this house. Inanuya.
My husband, I greet you. Indeed.
Nana, it's been long I saw you smiling like this. What happened?
I'm smiling and dancing because I have good news for you people.
I thought as much. So what good news?
I'm just coming from the hospital now. Guess what? Nkiru has been delivered of a bouncy baby boy.
A boy?
A very handsome boy for that matter. You need to see him. I
hope she's okay. I mean, the mother.
She's very okay. If you see her, you will not believe that she's the one that just put to bed now. The doctor is already thinking of discharging her later in the day.
Thank you. As we are going, go straight to the hospital. And as soon as the doctor discharges her, take her along with you to your house. Yes. Make sure she doesn't enter this house.
Papa Nkiru, you mean you are still obsessed with that girl after all this?
Why wouldn't I be upset? Eh? Let me ask you, how many children did you bear for your father before getting married? Eh? I was coming with Nana.
Nana, please, you can go. Thank you for the message. We shall make arrangements to bring them back. Thank you very much.
Look at the person you are interceding for. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Can you see any sense of remorse? Shameless girl.
Brother, what you can Obi? What to Obi? Remember our people said that when you scold a child with the left hand, you comfort the child with the right hand. You have scolded this child enough. This is time for you to comfort her.
Comfort who? Look, comfort who? I have not started scolding her. This is just pampering that I'm doing. Maybe you didn't hear me when I said that I will never, I would rather break my neck than receive this idiot and that Omali into this house, my house.
What is even all this, eh? Papa Nkiru, what is wrong with you? How can you be so wicked to your own daughter like this? If her mother were to be alive, will you do all these things to her? Will you? Where do you want her to take this child to? Where do you want her in this village to take this baby to?
Nana, if you talk to me in that manner again, I will throw away the fact that you are a married woman and give you the discipline you never had from your parents. What stops you from taking her to your husband's house? Or don't you have no animal accommodation?
Can you imagine?
Eh?
What am I even worrying myself over for, eh? I've played my own part in Kiru. If he lies, let him take you aside. If he lies, let him drop you aside. Me, I don't care anymore. I am going.
Go. Go and don't come back.
I will go.
Continue. Thank you for
don't worry.
God bless you.
I will go.
Bring your pen.
Ebele, okay. This place. Come on, let me see you. Yeah, but if you pull him let's see who you and I who owns this house.
But I wait. Are you claiming this house to be your own? This house?
I am claiming it for you.
Remember, let me tell you, Papa built this house. Papa built this house. Our father built this house. And Nkiru here is Papa's granddaughter. So she has equal right as you do in this house. What's wrong with you?
It's fine, ma. He's sleeping.
You have to go back to the house. I know your father acted in anger and wronged you. You have to go back, please. Forgive and forget no matter what. He has been pleading and begging that you should forgive him. Please forgive him no matter what. If not for any other thing, for the sake of that child, please go back to him.
Everybody in this village thanked me an evil child because I had an unwanted pregnancy. Nobody will let me into their house. Nobody cared for my newborn baby. Not even my father will let me into his house.
I understand. You have to forget about it and concentrate on how to raise your child. But you have to go back to the house.
Before my dead body would not go back to the house again.
Nkiru, don't talk like your father. Don't utter words that you will regret in the future.
Who told you I will regret it? I will not regret anything more. Who told you I cannot raise this boy here? Yes. I will raise him here.
No, Mommy. I hope you took the biscuit I kept for you in the cupboard. You didn't. Not to go hungry in school. Be a good boy, okay?
Mama. Oh.
Jisike.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh?
Are you ready to go now?
Yes, so I'm ready to go. Okay. Your food is inside.
Okay. Okay.
You're doing well.
Thank you.
At least we'll have enough firewood for a care market in the next 2 days.
Of course, Mama.
So
Mama. Remember to stop by the clinic on your way and buy your drugs. Remember what the doctor said about your health.
I know, but I don't think I will have enough money to buy the drugs. By the time I pay my dues at the Umuada meeting, I'm not sure I'll have up to 100 naira left in my bag.
Mommy Bjakwaho, you can pay the dues later now and buy the drugs first. Your life is more important to us than anything.
It's your cookie, but I've owed this due for a long time. But by the time, see, all that firewood you packed at the back, hey, by the time we are done with selling them, we will have enough money to buy the drugs.
Mama, that means I have to break more firewood now, so we'll have more to sell.
Thank you.
One. Jenkoma.
Chimobi.
Nah.
Organize. This is too much now.
I'm not complaining now.
Ezioku. But I went to your house and I saw heaps and heaps of firewood. You have enough for a market now, so why are you suffering yourself like this?
And who told you that what I have is enough?
Hey. I want to go and see that arches of her. Then later on I'll come to your house. You know, go.
Okay, so what do you?
Yes. Oh,
Wait, woman, what is the problem?
Your mother.
What happened to my mother? What?
She had an attack at the meeting.
Chimo! Hell! And her drugs are finished. Chimo, where is she? Where?
She's at the village square. Chimobi!
It's okay. Chimobi, she come now. Give
Mama! Please.
How many times have I warned you never to allow your mother to run out of drugs? How many times?
Doctor, I am very, very sorry. I must admit, this one is my fault. Please, I'm sorry. It will never happen again, doctor. Please. Please.
You should be grateful to your God that you rushed her to the hospital at once. Maybe by now you...
Doctor, nothing is going to happen to my mother at all. Even God in heaven and all the angels know that nothing will happen to my mother.
Then you have to play your part and let God play his own part.
I've heard you, doctor. I'll play my own part. And thank you very much for saving her life.
You can go and see her. She's okay now.
Thank you, doctor.
How is she? How is she? Oh, how is she?
She's fine now.
Hey!
She's under control.
Thank God. Thank God. See, I have not been myself since I heard the news. Thank God. Oh.
I was just coming to your house to call you. Anyway, she's fine. She's sleeping now. The doctor said I should go get food for her that she can eat when she wakes up.
What would you want me to cook for her?
Maybe her favorite.
Come, let's go to the house and cook now. Come.
What, Ebele? You don't get the point.
What point?
I don't have any money left on me, and we don't even have any foodstuff in the house.
It's okay. I wasn't even telling you to go to your house. Come, let's go to mine and cook. Eh? Come, let's go.
Well, what of your father? I hope he's not around. So fast.
Don't you know that anything that affects you affects me? Eh?
No, Mama. You've done so much for my mother and I don't even know how I can repay you.
Stop saying that. Everything I do for love. I don't think I can ever love anybody like I love you. And I always like to see you happy. Hey.
Jesus, Father.
Is that why you're shaking? Are you not a man? Are you not a man? See, stop shaking, no. Just stand straight and walk bold like the man that you are. Now, take this. Take it to the hospital. Eh? Later in the night, I'll come and see how you and Mama are doing. You know, go?
Okay. Good day, sir. Padura.
I don't know why this life is such a mystery. How do you know? That's a popular saying that the rich man said to the poor man's son. I wish I had a son like you. Why the poor man's son said to the rich man's son, I wish I had a father like yours. Who are you referring to in this contest? Chimobi, of course. Such a handsome, intelligent boy, but has no father. No identity, a bastard. Huh. But his position does not affect him in any way, or does it? Of course it does. Which father in his right senses will give out his daughter's hand to a boy like that? My dear, forget about Okoye's attitude. Not even my own father will behave like him. You are just guessing. I'm not guessing. I'm not. I'm very sure my own father will not behave like Norma's. Let's go. Bye.
Who is there? Nwokoye
Chimobi came around.
What are you doing here this late?
I came to check on you now. I heard what happened to your mother.
My mother is fine. Thank you for checking on me. Please go. Before Norma, I'll see you here.
Chimobi, but I saw her going out now.
So what? What if she decides to come back and check on me? Then I want to go. Come and go home, please. Go to your mother's house. Ada? Thanks for coming. My mother is very fine. She's fine. Thank you. Ada? Thanks.
I'm going.
Go. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
I'm going.
Bye-bye. Good night.
I'm going.
Ada, go now. Thank you very much. Thank you. Where mother knows? Actually, you got laughter.
Too much of everything is bad though. What are you talking about? The way Norma does things these days. She's always with Chimobi, morning, afternoon and night. Haba. Because it's not you. It's now too much, Abi. How do you mean? You think I don't know? I know everything. Every. What are you talking about? I know you admire Chimobi a lot. And you wish you could even take him away from Norma. No, it's a lie. Think I did not see you. I saw you last night. I saw you. I only went to see how his mother was faring. That's all. Because nobody's a small girl here. I don't know what is wrong with you. I'm your friend. Open up. Tell me. Uncle. Hi. The reason Chimobi and I are here tonight is to... I don't know if you remember the last time we were here, what we were asking for. People who know anyway that we're here this week. We've been here since so. But they told us that you went for the village meeting. We decided to wait. Maka, it was there, you know. We really need what we are here to ask for. Now, Mama, I raise yours in the I'm not feeling well. I'm not strong anymore. It's due to the hard labor. The doctor has told me to slow down. But you also know that I don't have any other trade. All we're asking for here is just a small piece
piece of land for Chimobi and I to farm on. Instead of paying him some money to farm on his own land. If you give us a piece of land, then we'll be able to farm and we eat from it. We don't have to go to the market all the time buying food stuff. We can at least get yam from our land. Awesome. Or something because well,
Nkeo, what you are asking for is a very hard thing. When your father, our elder brother, was alive, he kept on insisting that he must not raise a bastard in his house. I never saw reasons for him then, but now I understand better. Now, my little advice to you is this. Take Chimobi, go and look for his father. Maybe he will still accept you back. I believe they will be having a piece of land for him there. As for here, nothing for him.
Can I want them in the people for me? You could put you just.
I had him. I'm not deaf. In fact, it's high time we stop beating about the bush. Let's say the truth. Sister, I am surprised at you. You know we don't have enough land. Uncle Unga has only 3 sons. Dikeh, 4 sons. My father had me with my 2 younger ones. You know we don't have enough land. Let alone giving out land to strangers.
Stranger? Ekene, stranger. Ekene, it's me, Kiru, your sister. People, stranger.
Mama, don't cry, please. Don't cry. Let's go, okay? We'll survive the way we'll be surviving. Right now. Let's go.
Ekene, you called your sister a stranger in my own father's land.
Kiru, if I were you, I would go back to the man who got me pregnant. Oh. I believe they will be having a portion of land for him there. You know, in our culture, women do not inherit land.
Uncle, remember, there is God and He's watching all of us. There is God and He's watching you people.
You're hiding things from me. You're lying to me. Mama.
Nothing, I'm fine.
No, you are not. You're not fine.
I said I'm fine.
Why are you doing this to me? Chimobi, you're beginning to lie to me. Me, Norma. It's not fair. It's not fair. Well, tell me, what is it?
Okay. There's something bothering me. There's something wrong, but I want to keep it to myself. I don't want to discuss it with anybody.
Oh, Charu. Now I'm anybody. I'm anybody, Okuya. This is what I've been saying. It's like in this relationship, I'm the one that has more love. Look at you hiding something from me. When we're supposed to be sharing our pain, our sorrow, just the way we share our love and our joy. If you name now or them, is it fair? It's not fair, is it?
No, it's the same thing I've been talking about. It's that same thing that has been bothering me. My mother's people have refused to give us any portion of land. None. And the thing is seriously disturbing my mother.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Honestly, I just don't get why some people are so inconsiderate. Why don't they want to help your mother? Their sister, their own blood. The
one that is paining me the most is that my mother has refused to tell me my paternity. Not to me, not to anybody. What kind of thing is that now? So is she now the Holy Mary, the Mother of God that was conceived by the Holy Spirit?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm very sure that she will at her own time.
When is her own time? When?
I don't know. But I know she'll tell you. Listen. I don't want this to bother you at all. If nobody accepts you the way you are, I do. I don't care where you come from. I don't care who your father is. All I care is about you and the fact that I love you very much. That is all that matters. Okay? I've been thinking. I want you to go to the city. Yes. You know, deep down within me, I know that the God I worship would establish you in the city. That way, these your uncles won't treat you the way they are treating you. Once you become rich, I can bet you, they will all begin to respect you and life will be different.
Mama, if I go to the city, who will I leave you for?
Is it me you're thinking about, or is it Norma?
Mama.
Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself.
You know you're my priority, Mama. You are my main priority. Your health condition is not stable. And the people in this village, they hate you, Mama. They hate us. And the only way we can survive and make it is by sticking together, by taking care of each other. Okay, let's say I leave you and go to the village now. If something happens to you, God forbid, I won't forgive myself. I'll just close my eyes and I'll die.
Oh, what if I get mem? Nothing would happen to me. I am strong. I can take care of myself. Look, Mom, the dream I have for you, it's a bigger one. I don't want you to end up wasting here in the village. Biko, eh?
Anugom, if I'm going to the city, then I will take you with me.
If you can find out some, you know I'm not young anymore, eh? And I am not too old not to take care of myself. I am strong and I can take care of myself. Oh, nah. You know, go.
Okay, Mama. But this is not what we should be discussing right now.
So what should we be discussing?
I think that you're hiding from me and from everyone else.
And what is that?
Mama, who is my father? Mama, tell me, I need to know. Is he alive? Is he still alive? Where does he live? Where is he? Mama, please tell me now, I need to know. Stop keeping it away from me. Mama.
Thank you so much. Nwokoye. How's your family?
Oh, wonderful. And yours?
Oh, thank God. And our object of interest?
Your object of interest. So let's ask this question. We see that first now. That's no problem. Huh? She's here for you.
She's in there?
She's in there.
Wow, wow. I can't wait to see her. I can't really wait to see her. You know, my father has told me so much about her.
Oh.
And I can't really wait.
You see, but I'm sure you have seen her. I made a new picture.
Of course, I've seen her picture. She's quite beautiful in the picture. But you know, I'm no more in the States now. I'm right here in Nigeria now. And so, I want to see my wife.
Even though now, I got tonto. It will be hard to go. You see entitlement?
Yeah.
Get up.
That's right.
Let me call my wife first. Oiridia! Go, man. Our in-laws.
Mama, you're welcome. You're welcome. No. Look welcome. You're welcome, eh? Hey, look welcome. Mama, in-law is beautiful.
Yeah, even though only my eyes see her beauty.
Exactly. You're welcome.
Go and call him Norma. Okay. Tell her to come and greet Nelson and his father. And his father brother.
Let me go and call her to come and greet you.
Yes, Mom.
Hey. Mama, you're welcome.
So how was your trip down there?
My trip travel.
Norma, you're here, and I was calling you. Your father wants you to come and greet Nelson and his people. Onye? Mama, I told you and I told Papa, I'm not interested in that marriage. I told you people, shut up, shut your mouth or I shut it for you with a hot slap. I am not interested in that marriage. My friend, go out there and go and greet them, sister. I'm not going anywhere. You see, I won't go. You see, you're not going anywhere. All you can wait for the main, you see. You better go out there, take an effort. I'm not going anywhere, Mama. In fact, nothing will take me out of this place. I'm not going. No, Ma. Don't let your father hear this. Or you want me to go and call your father? You're not going, Ekwa. You're not going. Can you pause the night? Go wait for the main. No, Ma. No police. Is it by force?
I got you. You float.
Please, I will join you in a moment.
Papa, you know?
Just a little.
I hope there's no problem.
No. Problem is too far from here.
Are you sure about that?
No problem.
Is it not your daughter?
Yes. I said, what is it?
Is it not your daughter?
What about her?
She won't come to greet Nelson and his people.
Where is she?
She's there.
Norma! But you said she's here.
She was here some minutes ago. Hey, God, what is all this? This guy will not kill me in this house. Now
listen to me, woman. You and your daughter, you are joking. You better go and look for her wherever she is and bring her back to this house so that she can come and greet my in-laws.
Like, can't you see she has run out of the house? No, ma. She has run out of the house now.
I have spoken. No.
No, ma. No, I'm not like Kennedy. No, ma.
My great-in-laws, I am sorry for taking much of your time. Your object of interest will soon be here. It's just that she went to collect certain things from our neighbors.
Collect what? I don't understand you. You just told us a while ago that she was in there. What the fuck is going on?
That was what I thought then. Until my wife came to inform me that look at the present situation.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me that she's not aware of our coming today?
No.
Is that what you're saying?
No. She's fully aware. Huh? But she,
but what? What other fucking appointment is more important than today? Tell me.
My lord, please don't be annoyed. Huh? You know the children of nowadays, sometimes they can be silly. Huh?
This is bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Can't believe this.
Nelson, calm down. Let the patient explain. The patient dog is the status story.
That's good. Yeah, I'm looking,
This is ridiculous. This is fucking uncalled for. How can I sit my fucking ass here for over an hour waiting for her? Man, I can't take this shit. I shouldn't.
Please. Please, don't be alarmed. Don't misunderstand. It's not intentional. Huh? Try and understand.
What exactly do you want me to understand? What do you want me to understand? Tell me.
That this is the handwork of the devil.
Bullshit. Fucking bullshit.
Okoye. Isn't there? Tell me the truth. What is the problem? Isn't there? Is it not this Obanje? This mami water of a girl called my daughter Noma? I told her that her sister will be coming here today. Huh? But she
This is
Noma
bullshit.
Noma here one potty.
Daddy, let's go. I can't take this shit anymore.
Because understand me. Okoye, to whom much is given, much is expected. Truth. Huh? But please, we will go. But Mazi, how can I move you? Go. Please, bring I beg of you. Please, come down.
No matter the circumstances,
Are you sure they're still there? Maybe they've gone.
I don't care. I don't care. If they like, let them stay. If they like, let them go. All I know is that they will stay there till thy kingdom come. Because I'm not planning to enter that house till nightfall. I'm not entering there.
You know, this issue will cause a lot of problems. It will raise a lot of dust.
Why are you talking like that?
You're talking as if you don't know. I'm sure your father has been collecting money and other gift items from this guy's father through him. And he must have given an impression that you're already theirs.
But wait, is that young man a fool? How can you be giving items to my father? And then you have not even bothered to buy a common phone for the girl in question so that at least you can be talking. How can you be spending money on a girl you have only seen in pictures? A girl you have not even heard her voice for once in your life. In fact, it doesn't make sense to me.
It is possible, Nne. It is very, very possible. Look, it's possible because he feels he's based in the US. They feel that our girls over here would do anything to marry a foreign-based husband. I'm sure he has not even lost any doubt about this issue.
Well, it is a pity because he just met a different girl, okay? I go where my heart leads. I follow my heartbeat. I go for love, not wealth. See, you are all that I need. I don't need anyone else.
I love you.
I know. don't even try it.
So they've gone.
You allowed your daughter to sneak out of this house, knowing fully well that Nelson and his father will be here today.
Nai, how can you talk like that? I didn't know she was going to sneak out of the house.
That shameless girl has actually brought this high level of embarrassment to me because of that bastard. A boy who has no identity at all. A boy who has no single kinsman. A boy whose mother caught by sleeping around with men. Because of him, my own daughter, Noma, now want to deprive me of being an in-law to Nelson, who is from a very wealthy and respected family. Oh, you dear, it will not happen in this household.
At all. At all, it will never happen.
I will personally kill her and kill that bastard. Anytime I see him in this family again, I will kill him. You better go and warn the mother. Because any other time I see that he goat, anywhere around my compound, I will personally kill him. I will shoot him and wait for the consequences. Huh?
Hey.
Nonsense.
Norma.
Hey. I will shoot him and face the consequences. Nonsense.
Nani.
Oiridia.
You're sleeping already. Come to bed now.
Oiridia, I know what you want. You want me to come in there and sleep over this thing so that by tomorrow morning my full anger will have subsided. Huh? But I will not do that. I will wait till she calls home.
Do you know what the time is? Are you going to...
Hold it. I want to be left alone. Just make sure that all the backyard doors are locked. Do not allow this girl to sneak into this house without my noticing it.
I have locked all the doors in this house. This is the only one open.
Good. You have done your part very well. You may not go to bed. Or, if you are feeling sleepy. Huh? For me, I will wait here until she calls home because I know she will not sleep outside tonight.
What if she decides to?
Woman, go to bed.
Kachifu.
Deal with her so decisively. I should not have for she has.
Tabago.
Thank you, Mom. Pagi kuzim.
Amam no chedia. Now, you have to listen to what I'm telling you. There is nothing in this village. I'm not referred there I need you to go to the city where there are lots of opportunities. Hopefully, one good opportunity will come your way. Then you come back. All these your uncles and relations will look up to you. You'll not become a part of them. Hana Bekutezi. That is what I want for you.
Mama, it's not as if there's anything too special in this village that is keeping me here. It's just you. Yes, Mama, if I leave you here, who will take care of you?
Ibiakwa, no. Look at me here. I single-handedly brought you up in this hut. I am still strong. I will take care of myself.
Man, it's not the same thing. You're no longer that young now. You know that. Yeah? Hey man, and your health condition is not stable. It will be too risky for me to leave you all by yourself.
Sounds like no man case.
My mama. Hey!
Shimo.
Who did this to you?
What happened to you? Who beat you up like this?
My father.
Your father beat you up like this? Where was your mother when he was beating you?
Now you mean your father did this to you? Hey, get going to
I was still in bed. And then he sneaked into the room, locked the door and started flogging me with koboko.
Wasn't your mother there when he did this to you?
It's okay, my love. It's okay.
I don't want to go back to
my love. No, you will not go back.
What did you do to deserve this pity?
Hey, Mama, come inside. Come. Sorry.
Hey!
Norma! What is it, Norma? Yes, bring her up.
Okoye, you should be ashamed of yourself. Why would you be that girl like that? Ichigwebu, do you want to kill her?
Bring her, my daughter! You're asking me. You know the best thing for you? Eh? The best thing for you now is to do what? Stay out of this matter. Your useless son.
My own son?
A common bastard of no reputation. Wants to ruin my only daughter. And you want me to just keep quiet and fold my arms and watch it happen? Impossible.
Oh, this is what it is all about, Okoye. Oh, no, I'm being foul, Okoye.
Oh, you are doing as if you don't know before. Huh? Pretender. Shameless fool. Get into that accursed heart of yours and bring up my daughter. Weak.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Oh no, why bully. You talk like a woman. Like a common woman in the market.
Truth. Yes, huh? But is it not better than a woman who spreads her legs to virtually every dick and hurry and raises a generation of bastards? Huh? Oh, you want my daughter to marry a compound bastard who has no father, no identity, no kinsman, nothing, nowhere, not when I'm alive. Go in and bring her out, idiot. Bring her out, idiot. You will think I have your time. Don't do that and wait for my wrath. Come on. You know what you are? Shameless prostitute. Akuna.
Yes, but you're always looking at me. Oh, I see the way you look at me. Okay. When I pass, the way you look at my backside, I see it. If I let them, if you know,
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, Mama.
Mama,
let's go.
Look at him.
Mama, what the doctor said. Mama, let's go.
It's
okay. It's okay. Let's go inside.
Baba. Look at where you ran to. Can that bless a foul? I get him the twins. Huh? Can that bless a foul? What to talk of a goat? Animal, come away from me there.
You see what I told you? You see what I told you, but you will not listen.
Mama, it's okay now. It's okay.
Chimobi, it is not okay. It is just not okay. It can only be okay when you go to the city and make money. It will only be okay when you build your own house. It will only be okay when you get us out of this shame of heart. That is when it will be okay.
Okay. It's okay, Mama. I've heard you. Stop shouting, okay? I'll go to the city. I will. I'll leave this village. And I promise you, I will make so much money. I will make so much money to wipe away your tears, Mama. I promise you. Please. Eh? Calm down. Stop shouting. It's okay. It's okay. Now, I've made up my mind to go to the city.
So you want to leave me? You want to abandon me here after everything I sacrificed for you?
I'm not leaving forever. I'm just changing location temporarily to help us, to make money for us.
Money? Am I complaining? Eh? I don't need your money. You are all that I need. I'm tired of saying this to you. I'm tired.
I know. But you don't get it, do you? You don't. I need to go so that I can upgrade my life. I need to upgrade your life. I need to make money. I need to go out there and make money. So that when I come back here, your father and the rest of the villagers will place a value on my life. Place a value on me. They will respect me. I need to go to the city so that when I come back with a jeep, a big jeep, your father will give his consent to our union. Eh? Ne.
So, how am I sure that if you leave this village, you will not find another woman? And how are you sure that if you leave me here for a very long time, that our love will still be strong? How can you be sure?
Our love will always be strong. Always. You've done so much for me and for my mother. You've sacrificed so much for my family. And the only thing that can take me away from you is death. Time and distance. They cannot even cover up the stamp that you've left in my heart. It's not possible. Where do I start from? Is it the financial sacrifice? Is it your energy, your time that you've put in? Or is it the men, the numerous rich men that you've turned down their proposals just because of me? I'm not that heartless, my baby. Mbang.
It's easy for you to say now. But change, they say, is the only constant thing. Who knows? You never can tell.
So you don't trust me?
It's not as if I don't trust you. It's just that I'm not comfortable with you leaving this village, that's all.
I'll be willing to do anything you want, just to prove to you that I'll never leave you no matter the situation.
Anything?
Anything.
Oaths? Blood covenant? Anything?
Anything.
What is it? Of all the girls in this village, Chimobi chose me. It is called love. L-O-V-E. Love. Hey, I sense jealousy here. What's your own?
Jealous of who?
Norma. Why would I be jealous of Norma? Over that bastard. Hey, then mind your own business. Let them be. I'm not after what they do. All I'm saying is that Chimobi is too handsome for Norma. Oh, Norma herself is also beautiful. So let them be. Is she more beautiful than I am? In Chimobi's eyes, yes, she is. So put your eyes off their relationship. Oh? Wait, Joe. You'll be talking normal. Who is normal self? Wait for me now.
Well, thank you. Thank you. I wouldn't want anybody to disgrace me in that house. I don't want. Achorom.
Nobody is going to disgrace you. Go to the city and stay with Madoka. He is a good person. And I know he will take very good care of you.
The same Madoka is the one that told us that his Oga has not given his consent for me to come.
Now, stop making excuses. Ogenedo, go to the city and do something with your life. Reasons why he can't go.
Nothing will happen to me. Then when the Oga throws me out of the house, I will not start loitering the streets, okay?
What is wrong with that? Are you not a man? Anywhere you find yourself, you should try and survive. Look, I was 23 years old when I had you, and my father threw me out. But I survived with you. So, if you go to the city and they throw you out, anywhere you find yourself, survivor. Survivor. There's no more excuses, son, or walk over.
Come here, Ozzy.
Let me pray for you.
Okay.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
You will go in peace and come back in peace.
Amen.
The Lord will guide you.
Amen.
You shall conquer. You will find favor in the sight of men. They will help you to grow. And you will grow so big that by the time you come back to this village, you will be the richest and the greatest.
Amen.
The Lord will be with you. Okay, do give Jenny do not do. Na makani bu ezigbo nwa. Enugo. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Nakuni.
Mama, thank you. Thank you.
Jebe.
You'll be okay.
I'll be fine. I am a strong woman.
Yes, you are.
Yes. Jebe, boss, I'm a rapo. Bye. Oh God, delay him.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh God, delay him, Mama.
I was going to shoot him. What is that? I told him I was going to shoot him.
Hey! Up him! What is it? What is it? Yeah! What did you shoot? Okay.
Nwokoye, he shot at me. He tried to kill me.
So that gunshot I heard was meant for you.
Hey, Mama, I would have been a dead man by now.
I would have. Yes.
Hey!
Did he hurt you? Yeah, Norma, your father wants to kill my son from your prayer.
Mama, come back here!
Leave her.
Mama, come here!
That man needs to be cautioned.
What are you talking about? You know my mother has hypertension. She'll go there now and start shouting.
Nothing will happen to her.
Oh, Norma.
My father will not do anything to her.
Norma.
Go inside.
Are you sure she'll be okay?
She'll be fine. Go inside. Okoye!
Yes, what is it? Who is there? Oh!
Efule! Thank your God. Thank your God that nothing happened to my son.
Oh! Are you talking about the thief I caught in my compound today?
One thief.
He should be the one to thank his God because he was fast enough to escape. I should have calmed him down. Yes.
If you shoot my son, you will give birth to a son today. And you will make sure that child gets to the level where my son is today.
Let me tell you, if I kill him, nothing will happen. Who will ask of him? Is it you? If you come, I will kill you and add it up to him. Listen to me, he's a bastard though. He's a bastard. Don't you get it? Want him. Both of you should be careful.
Let me tell you, he's a bastard, yes. But at least I'm his mother, and I know where he's coming from. Manadima, with that telelinti, they call door. Even now, daddy that cannot function. Malfunction telelinti, I know you. Ineko, if more keep away from my family, yo. This is the last time I will warn you. You think we don't know? Telelinti man.
Warn him never to set his feet in this compound again. Because the next time I see him in this compound, I will surely shoot him dead and nothing will happen. Nobody will ask of him. He's a bastard. He has no kismet. Nothing. Look at that. You are ranting. Hey!
Amuche. What is it? You can't believe what I saw. What did you say? Finally, Chimobi is leaving the village for the city. I saw him at the village garage. He told me he's going to Abuja now to sleep. Hey, yeah, that will be nice. Let him go to the city to better his life. You don't even get the point. What point? Norma, how is she? Is she the only one here? You are her rival now. Both of you are going to miss him. I don't know why you like to talk like this sometimes. Why don't you admit for once that you love him? You think I don't know? I know every. Give me that one.
How can we help you?
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for my brother who stays at this address.
Your brother?
Yes, his name is Maduka.
Oh, I see.
When did you arrive?
Just now.
Did she see you?
Yes, now.
She saw me. What did she say?
She just said, okay.
That's all. Come in.
Hi!
Chimobi.
Maduka.
Hey, so you're welcome, this is where your brother lays his head.
This is good. It's very beautiful.
You can keep your bag over there.
Here?
Yes. So at least we can now go and see my madam and introduce you to her. Tell her that you've come.
Your madam? Who is your madam?
You just saw her outside now, the lady you saw outside.
The girl I met outside. Okay, her father is your boss, your Oga.
Father. She is my Oga. She owns this house.
Chineke kwakwana ihe ọjọọ.
Look.
Obere nwa.
Go na go obere nwa. Madam. Pick madam. Let's go and see her. Not just here, other properties. Big man. Let's go. Okay. Hey, I told you. So now I'm having ha.
Yes. Yes, I just got home. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's fine. I'll tell you what, I'll call you back in 30 minutes, okay? Yes. Okay. Alright, bye.
Madam, this is my brother, the one I told you that will come from the village. His name is Chimobi.
Good day, ma.
But we greeted before.
Okay, that's... yes, ma.
How are you?
I'm very fine, ma.
Anyway, I'm a very simple lady. What I hate is crowd. I do not want to see anybody except the two of you in this compound. Did I find anybody else? You both will certainly leave my house.
Madam, you know me now. I don't do that kind of nonsense. And Chimobi, he's just coming straight from the village. He doesn't know anybody in this city except me.
Yes, ma. It's true. I don't know anybody in the city. Only my brother Maduka.
That's okay. You can go back to your room.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Madu. Money how can I change?
What?
How can a lady have this kind of money? I mean, how?
Connections. You see that girl? That my madam. Her father was a one-time Inspector General of the Nigerian Police Force.
Like as I was saying, I don't even know what job I'll start with now because I don't want to idle away my time here.
You will not be idle. There are many polythene factories and bakeries in this area. Once you go there, they will employ you. How can you go?
Governor, I don't mind any of them as long as money starts flowing into my pocket as soon as possible.
Don't worry. Money will come. Once Madam leaves, I will personally take you to one of those places and they will give you a job.
Okay. So has Mama called since that time?
Yeah, Chimobi. You are no longer your mother's pet. Look, you are now a big boy, a hustler in the jungle. Look, so stop all this, my mother this, my mother that. Because
now tell me what is wrong with me speaking to my mother and letting her know that her son arrived safely, and also to find out how she's doing.
Your mother is doing well. She's okay. Huh? Because Chimobi, see, I want you to help me wash the cars. Let me go and cut the flowers. So finish up quickly. We'll do that now.
Mama, so you're still like this?
Mama, welcome.
Hey, Jesus. Mama, get up. I have to take you to the hospital.
Mama, there won't be need for that. I'll be fine.
What do you mean there won't be need for that? Your body temperature is rising so high. You're telling me you'll be fine because you ever been here?
Mama, believe me, I'll be fine. I just took drugs. I'll be okay.
Hey! Are you sure?
Yes, Mama, yeah, baby.
Hey! Hurry the Poko! Eh? Mama, get up. Go inside and sleep. This place is too open. Be near. Get out here. What is hot? Look at Blues again. I really can't let you talk like this.
No, you did that.
No.
No. How are you? What is this girl?
Norma.
Who else?
She's inside. She's running temperature.
Since when?
For the past 2 days. Since Chimobi left this village, my daughter has been running temperature. I don't know what that boy has done to my daughter. I've not seen this kind of love.
Well, that is by the way. My in-laws will be coming to this house in the next 2 days. Just go in there and talk to your daughter. Let it not be like the other day. Nelson and his father Ezenia visited. They left here with anger, and since then they have refused to pick my calls. Go and talk to her.
But man, can't you see that all the marriage proposal you've been arranging for her have been failing? Can't you see it? Let's allow her bring in the man that wants to marry her by herself.
So I should then allow her to bring in that useless, hopeless bastard of no reputation into my house.
I'm not talking about Chimobi. I'm not talking about Chimobi. Let's allow her daughter bring in her suitor. All the marriage plans you've been making for her failed. Can't you learn from your mistakes?
Yes, the past efforts failed. They all failed because that boy was a major distraction. But now that the boy is not in picture now, this one will work. Or don't you think so? Huh? Go in there and talk to her. You're saying no? You know Naya. Huh? Do you think it will not work?
I didn't say that. More quite simple. No. There is this other young man that wants to marry you. They said he based in Abuja. Your father's friend Mazi Okaro brought him to your father. Here. He saw your picture. Also not joining you. He's coming in the next 2 days to ask for your hand in marriage. But I heard he had a lot of money.
Hello, Mama. Why does Papa want to sell me off like a commodity? Why? He keeps showing my pictures to everybody he sees. Or the man. Why? Is he the one to find a husband for me? Or am I the one to show him whom I want to marry? I told him. It hasn't been up to 2 weeks that Nelson and his people left this place. And he already has another person for me. Okay, so yeah, here. Oh, Mama. Oh, Papa. Oh, Gia.
Your father loves you so much. You know you're very beautiful. He wants the best for you. He just wants you to be comfortable in your husband's house. Papa
does not love me. Leave that thing. Papa does not have my interest at heart. He's not looking out for my interest. He's only trying to fill his pocket with me on what he falls up. Because if he cares about my well-being and about my interest, he will allow me to marry the man I love.
Chimobi. Love Burokwa and Runke Gina Chimobi. Love Ambakoko.
Mama.
Don't mama me, Akpanam. Your husband people are coming here in the next 2 days. Better get ready for them. Nelly, I would like to spend this summer in London.
If that's what you want, there's no problem. We can start making plans for it.
My problem is I don't know your plans and engagements this period.
I don't think I have any serious program for now. Oh, Senator Kegu's birthday party. But that's okay. We can take up nearly after the party.
So, when exactly is the party?
I think in what?
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma. I'm sorry for interrupting you, ma.
What is it?
I came back and Maduka said you were looking for me, so I came to find out.
Oh, that. Yes, I wanted you to buy me something from the supermarket, but you were not there.
Oh, okay. I'm here now, ma. Let me go and buy it.
That's okay. I've started it.
Okay. I'll be in the room if you need me.
Yes, so in 2 days or who is that guy? Do you like him?
Oh, please. I mean, who is that guy and what planet is he from?
Well, the guy is kind of cute, but...
But what?
Broke. He's more or less my houseboy.
Are you serious? Like, are you serious? Are you blind? Can't you see that that guy is naturally endowed? Oh my God. Anybody can make money, Nelly. Any idiot can make money. Any ugly monster can make money. Ha!
And you know me now. My pride.
Pride. See, we've all got our pride. Let's just pocket it, okay? Look at that guy. I mean, imagine that guy driving out from a posh house. Driving a posh car. In a posh suit. Nelly. I think you're right or something.
Oh my God. Anne. You're a genius.
You're so blind that you don't see things. Oh God. Give it here. Norma, so this is why you didn't want to go to the hospital? Hmm? Oh, Mama, you think I will not know? What are you talking about? Hey, this is why he ran away from the village to the city. Akuya? Mama, what is it? Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Stop pretending.
I don't know anything, no, Mama.
Hey! Chinekeme. Chinekeme. No, my dear. You're pregnant.
Mama.
No, my dear. Better stop it, oh. Just stop it.
Shut up! Shut up! Nama, shut up! No, my dear.
Mama, all I know is that I'm not pregnant, oh. I'm not pregnant. You're pregnant! And your father must hear this. Your father must hear this. You know your father will kill you. Nani! Nani! Who knows what I'm going to become? Here. Nani! Nani!
Yes, Ogino.
Nani!
Ogino.
Norma is pregnant.
You said again?
Norma is pregnant for that bastard.
Hey! Hey! Hey, Buyabu mother! Hey, Buyabu mother! Hey! Oh! Was that why he ran away, thinking he has escaped my wrath?
That was why he ran away from the village.
Norma Dime! Hey! Is that? By the way, where is my daughter Norma?
She's there.
Call her for me! Oh! Hey, Buyabu mother! This bastard! Huh? He ran away thinking he has escaped my house. This bastard! My friend.
Get it, why you get it?
Norma!
Papa!
Norma!
Papa!
Oh, yeah, Papa. Who is your father? Now, answer me. When did this happen?
When did what happen?
It's alright. How many months pregnant are you now?
Chinekeme. Mama? Oh, so after everything I told you, you still went ahead to tell Papa that I'm pregnant? Come on, answer the question and tell him the truth. Stop lying.
No, ma, ask again. How many months pregnant are you now?
Papa, I am no longer a child. So I should know when I'm pregnant and when I'm not. Papa, draw me. I'm not pregnant.
Huh?
I'm not pregnant.
Idiri, are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Papa. I'm not pregnant. She is lying to you. Mama is lying to you. Pay for. Mama. Nanya, neka raya. Neka raya. Nenu kuye. Nena nyangwa. Mwe litugo. Mama di me. Papa. Since mom, oro to akara mu yikema. Eh? Papa, please, oh, I am not pregnant. Biko, I'm not pregnant. Anywhere you want to go, me, I'm ready to go.
So, you are sure?
I'm sure.
Then leave her to me. Huh?
No, me, ready to go.
Leave her, I don't know what to do. How did you go?
Leave her. What
I know what to do.
Leave her.
Hey!
Nothing in order to go.
Don't say to me. I'll kill you and kill that bastard.
How far? She is not pregnant.
Huh?
She only has malaria and typhoid.
Hey, doctor, I hope you're not deceiving me.
And why will I do that?
Hey, okay, thank you. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
She as well. Come on, stand up, let's go. Let's go!
You know, after my last experience with Charles, I'm happy the way I am. I don't want anything that will cause me heartbreak.
Nelly, I know. I mean, I understand. But you're a woman. You need to settle down. You need a man that will make you happy. You need a man that will love and cherish you. You cannot continue like this. You need to settle down someday.
So, why must it be that way?
Why must it be that boy? Nelly, are you blind? Can't you see? There is something about this guy. I mean, if I wasn't engaged, we won't be talking this. I would have taken that guy long ago.
I don't think I'm ready for such games right now.
Did you just say games? Wait. Nelly, does this look like a game to you? I mean, you wake up one day and regret this. I mean, you wake up one day and you call me and you tell me you're regretting it. Nelly, if this guy stays up to a month in this town and these other ladies see him and pick him up and touch him up and clean him up, Nelly, what this guy needs is money. Once you're able to give him that money, you have his loyalty and his honesty for life.
I don't know why you're doing this, Anne. I mean, you act like you've forgotten about Charles. Do you know what happened? I don't know why you're doing this now.
Nelly, can you stop? I mean, can you stop this Charles thing and move on? Nelly, move on with your life. You are not living. This is not normal. Every time Charles, move on. Please, you're my friend. I won't deceive you. I want what's best for you. Leave Charles and move on with your life, please. Charles here, Charles there. Move on. Forget that fool.
That dropped Chimobi.
Okay, it's madam at the bakery that he works. She just came to know where he's staying.
What did I tell you about bringing people into my house?
Madam, she's not people. She's his madam. She's his boss at the bakery. That she just wanted to know where he's staying in case of emergency.
I do not want to see that boy in this house by tomorrow morning.
Hey, madam, please, hey, Bikon.
Go and tell him what I said now.
Hey, madam.
Now!
Please, I'm very sorry. It will never happen again. Please, ma, if you sack me now, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't know anyone in the city. And I don't want to go back to the village now. Please, ma.
But I warned you. I warned you. Don't let anybody into my compound. I told you. I warned you.
Then please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The woman needed to know that I'm genuine. She said she wants to know where I'm living. And if I didn't bring her home, she would have terminated my appointment. Please, ma. Please. I'm sorry. It will never happen again.
I will pay you 60,000 naira. Start working for me. Sweep my house, wash my clothes, wash my cars. Just clean my house inside and outside. Your job starts now.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Chimobi, I think my madam likes you.
Why would you say such a thing? How would a big lady like that like me? A pauper like me?
Love is blind. Here, can't you see the handwriting on the wall? She likes you.
She better not like me because it will not work.
Lelonia, look at this one. Chimobi, you better pray. Pray and fast. You better pray that she likes you. Because the mere fact that my mother likes you, you're a millionaire. Not to even talk of when she marries you.
Haliban, what makes you think that me, Chimobi, will accept to marry her?
Yes, you will, Chimobi. Because you need money. You, Chimobi, need money more than any person in this world. Yes. If you want to be identified with our people, Chima, if you want our people to respect you, if you want our people to stop treating you like something or someone picked from a gutter or from a nearby bush, you need money. Serious money. Abumbi. Yes. Chima, if you don't have money, you have no address, you have no surname, you have no identity.
What is it? Norma is looking for who to send to untimely grave. What is it again, this woman? Tell me. Norma is not in this house. Immediately I went in, she sneaked out of this house. Excuse me, what did I just hear you say? Norma Abapugo, she's nowhere to be found. Hey! She's not in this house.
It's okay, now listen to me. Eh? Go now and search for her. Every nook and cranny of this village. Ransack it and bring her home right now. My in-law just called me now and said that I'm already on their way to this place.
Hey!
Huh? That is no time. You must do this now.
Begin to look for her.
Where will I look for her? You won't kill me. Let her not come back here. No matter what she wants. Catch her. Let me wait for her.
I am here at our usual spot, but you're not here. I've waited for you here since morning. When are you coming back? They want to take me away from you, but I will not let them. And I'm going to wait here until you come back and take me with you. Obim. Nwokoye mam. Afọ dị mkpa afọ ogologo ime ya. Ebe n'ebe eje ọlụ. I miss you. I love you. Not even 1,000 suitors can take me away from you.
You're very handsome. Look, you deserve much more than this low life. I want to make you the man of your dreams. Look, you may not know, but I have all it takes to change your life. But all I need from you is faithfulness. Chimobi, will you always be there for me? Will you make me the woman of my dream? Or will you just diss me as soon as your status improves? Because I know a million women will start fighting over you once you start making money. They may not notice you now that you are a nobody, but once you are made, they will fight over you. Trust me. Chimobi, tell me, would you always be there for me? Tell me, would you?
Today I make a strong promise to you. This tree over our head and this stick bear me witness as I make a vow to you that I will never, ever leave you for another woman, no matter what.
Today I also make a strong promise to you. Let this tree over our heads and this stick be my witness that I will never ever leave you for another man, no matter the circumstance.
Oh my God, this is too much for me. This is too much. Please help me, Lord. Please. Please help me.
Yeah. Chimobi. What kind of sleep is this?
Madu, you won't understand at all. What time is it?
Chimobi, I think you have to go to the village this morning.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
Calm down now. Hey, calm down. Are you not a man? Take it easy.
Okay.
Hey.
I'm calm. So what is the problem?
I received a call this morning from the village. So they said that your mother had a small attack and was taken to the hospital.
No.
Just small.
No.
She's in the hospital.
Mbano. Hey, Chimo. Hey, Chim. I warned her. I warned Mama, but she will not listen.
Chimo, what are you doing? Where are you going to?
What kind of stupid question is that now, Madu?
But must you pack everything? Chimobi?
Yes, I must pack everything. Because I'm not coming back here. I'm going to stay with Mama no matter what. I won't come back here, not even for all the wealth in the world.
Chima, at least you will take your bath now.
Habumaka. I'm not taking any shower.
Chimobi,
Madu.
I told you never to allow that woman go back to her level again. I told you.
Doctor, I tried my best. She insisted that I should go to the town. She said that I should go to the city and live and that she will survive without me. She's the one that insisted.
And you believed that?
Doctor, you don't understand. I insisted, but the woman was living like her life depended on it. And I had to go. Doctor, please.
Her case is too complex now. Too complex. Nobody knows whether she will survive the coma.
Dr. Mbani, no.
I doubt it.
No, doctor, no.
I doubt it because from the series of tests we ran on her, it was obvious that her second kidney has been affected also. And one, she needs a kidney transplant. 2, she needs to be placed on a constant dialysis until a suitable donor is found and the kidney transplanted. And thirdly, if these things are not done as fast as possible, chances are that she might not survive the coma. If she eventually does, she will not live longer than 3 months.
Doctor, take my kidney. Take my kidney. Just test me and take one of my kidneys and put forward. Anything it takes. Doctor, please.
Kidney transplant costs a lot of money. Besides, it is not done in a local village hospital. It is done in a modern hospital with ultra-modern facilities.
How much? Tell me.
Nobody knows how many times she has to go through dialysis. But the kidney transplant alone will cost nothing less than 3 to 4 million naira. Honestly. But I told you, she doesn't need heart level anymore. I told you.
Mama, it's me. It's me, Mama. Papa. Papa. Why are you doing this to me, Mama? Why are you doing this to me? You want to leave me alone? You want to leave me alone in this cold, wicked world? Mama, because Mama, because Mama, because Mama, because
It's okay. Stop crying. Your mother will be fine. Okay? She'll be fine.
You're not sure.
Yes, I am. I'm sure. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Is there no way you can raise this money?
How can I raise 3 million naira? How?
Maybe you can meet your mother's brothers, your uncles. They can sell 1 or 2 pieces of land and then raise the money for her.
Immediately I left the doctor's office, I rushed to see them. And instead of them to help, they were busy worsening the case by reminding me of my mother's plight.
It's okay. Don't mind them. God will send help soon. You know,
He better send help. God should better send help. Because if my mother dies, I will die with her. I swear I will.
No, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. Nobody will die.
I cannot live 1 minute without my mother.
Okay. Is there nobody in the city that you can run to for help?
Which city? The one I went to a few days ago.
See, I'm just worried and I'm just looking for a way to help.
Yes. There's somebody. But I can't go to her for help. I can't.
What do you mean by that? Your mother needs to leave. And you have someone in the city that can help you. And you are saying you don't want to go. Why?
Because of you.
Huh? More?
Yes.
Hey. How? I don't understand. Why?
She wants me to marry her.
Obi, come, let's go. Oh?
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, you have to go now, We've been here since morning. At least, go home, you have your bath, eat, change your clothes. Then, let's go, Biko, let's go.
I want to stay with my mother.
You don't want to stay with me, Okaya? You don't love me anymore, Okaya? Okay.
I never said that.
So let's go now. See, you staying here will not change anything, no. It will not add or subtract to your mother's condition. So why don't we just go home so that you can have your bath, change your clothes, eat and have energy. Then rest small. We will now come back here again and stay with her. You know, go.
Hey, madam.
I haven't seen Chimobi since I got back.
Madam, Chimobi is in hot soup. Oh. Hot soup.
Hot soup?
Sure, his mother is very sick. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, the woman is in a coma, and they need to give her a kidney transplant, and they need over 4 million naira for that.
Oh my God.
In fact, as the boy is just awaiting the mother's death. In fact, because I don't know where you get that kind of money from.
Jesus Christ. Where is he now?
The village. He traveled this morning.
Oh my God. This is not good news at all.
It's not, madam, it's not.
Nelly, see, this is an opportunity for you to be a savior in this guy's life. Take advantage of this position.
Why are you even doing this? I mean, for God's sake, you're pushing it too hard. Yes, you're talking like he's a god or something. Is he the only man on earth? Besides, who told you I need a man in my life right now?
Nelly, I'm your friend. I know what you need. You need a man. Take advantage of this position now, this girl.
I am not interested.
Okay?
Yes.
You're not interested?
I'm not.
Don't worry. That lady that dropped him the other day, she will come and help him, and she will whisk him away from you. That time your eye will open.
Good for her. Good for him. Yes.
Okay. I won't bother you again.
Please don't. Listen, my tailor said that dress wasn't good enough, so what I'm gonna do is maybe when we travel, right? Let's not do no shopping here, because we need better dresses.
I told you, my madam does not like people coming to this house. You want to put me in trouble? My madam is back now. I told you, you want to put me in trouble.
I don't understand.
Yes? How can we help you?
Please, I'm here to see Chimobi. He has not been to work for some days now.
Listen, I do not want to see you anywhere around this house again.
Are we quarreling?
Oh, is that how you go about looking for your staff everywhere? Listen, you will not like what I will do to you if I see you here again.
It's not an offense for me to ask for my staff.
Are you still here? Get this still up when I want to drive into my compound. Rubbish!
But you eat now. The enemy is not even eating anything.
I'm not hungry.
Maka gini zikwano. Enna. Nwokoma. Afu di mkpa afu imi yitru ki ihe di ogologo mbeto jichakwa ogologo. Nwoke mara mma. Eat now.
Why are you acting as if this thing doesn't affect you? I'm not the only one in trouble here.
I know.
You don't know anything, you don't. Look, if my mother dies now, I swear I will die with her. I'll close my eyes and I'll die. Then you will decide whether you will join us or you survive without us.
Stop talking like that. Nobody is going to die, Biko. See, nothing will happen to your mother. Nothing will happen to you. And nothing will happen to us. Where is your faith?
I pray so. I hope so.
Even if it's small meat, eat. I spent my time cooking this food for you. Eat meat.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Who are they?
Madu, yeah? You brought them to the village. Yes, now.
You don't like that?
No, it's not that I don't like it. It's just that I wasn't expecting to see you people.
Well, Madu told me everything. And you don't expect me to sit down and watch your life depreciate when I can actually help. I have come to help. Who is she?
Norma. This is Nelly, my friend. Nelly, this is Norma, my sister.
Hi, Chimaobi, we have to go to the hospital right now. I have to get your mother to Abuja, put her in a very good hospital, and then we'll wait for our documents to be ready, and then we'll fly her to India for her transplant. Come on, we have to go. There's no time.
I'm coming. Let me bring.
Oh, Chimaobi, forget those rags. Come on, we'll get new clothes in Abuja. Let's go.
No.
Come on, let's go. There's no time, okay? Come, let's go. Come on.
Okay, bye-bye.
Why have you forsaken me? Why? Did I not try? Did I not try enough for you? How could you have forgotten so soon all I went through because of you? How I suffered because of you? The sacrifices I made for you and your mother.
Let heavens be my witness. Let them judge us. Let them judge us.
Chimobi and his mother will be here any minute.
Are they done in India already?
Yes, they left yesterday. In fact, they are at the airport here already. Taxi's bringing them home.
That's nice.
God, it's been so long. 6 long months. I can't wait to see him.
No wonder you're smiling.
I will be forever grateful to you, my friend. It was your idea in the first place. And today, I'm so happy.
When I was telling you.
Who's here?
Oh my world!
Mama! Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me back my life. May God bless you. Oh, please get up. May God bless you. Get up, you don't have to kneel for me. I'm glad you're fine.
I didn't know you're this cute. Come here, give me a hug. Come on.
Come here.
It's okay. I didn't bite, oh. Sorry, oh. If you didn't bite, let me give you the bone. Oh, come on.
Well, tomorrow I have a big surprise for you.
Wait, you mean we're not done yet?
Baby, I ain't done nothing yet. You know I like surprises. I have a big one for you.
I can't wait to see what this big surprise of yours is.
Jimmy, thank you, God. Thank you for giving my son this lovely lady.
Mama, and thank you for giving birth to this lovely boy.
Hey! My handsome son.
Okay, stop. Seriously, both of you stop. Let me steal some of your chicken.
No! Eat Mama's food.
No, chicken is the best.
That is how he cheats me all the time.
Mommy's boy. I don't mind being
Now I'm Nelly's boy.
Oh no, no, Nelly's boy.
Yes, so those documents and the bank booklets I was sending to you while you were in India were actually for both the contract and the new company.
Wait. You got a federal government contract in my name?
And I am already executing it on your behalf. It's actually over ₦1 billion.
What?
Yes, baby. And the only thing left for me to do now is take you to your new office where you meet your general manager and your auditor general. They will let you know how far the project has gone.
Nelly, you're kidding me, right?
I'm not, baby. I told you. You deserve much more. I met with your site manager today and he said your company has already been registered and is also already on a federal government project.
So, what you're trying to say is that I'm now a contractor.
A big-time contractor, baby.
Mama, the house is beautiful. Oh, Gini. Hey!
Mama, I'm glad you like it.
I like it, oh. Everywhere. I like it. Knife with him.
I'm for me here for. For me, I'm gonna. You get your knife. We give us a few minutes. We have something to discuss.
Okay, so what do you guy?
Mama.
Hey! Shakara Bobo. Let me go outside and look around some more. If I can't call them. Now, first things first. I think you need to start building. I saw Mazianya, and he said he can sell some plots of his land to us. Once you pay, then you start building a big, beautiful, massive house.
I'm not ready to go to the village, Mama.
Why? You have to go to the village. You need to go to the village so that they can see that you have made it. You have become a big man. That way, they will start identifying with you. Who do you think would follow you to go and pay dowry when Nelly proposes to you?
You're talking as if you don't know I'm in a fix right now.
In what kind of fix?
Why would you ask me such a question?
Oh, is it a normal? Yeah, that one is not a problem now. Have you forgotten that Norma's father said that you cannot marry her? That he will kill you, Ilosogo? Nah, we don't need a Norma anymore.
No, Mama. Mbakwa, I will not be a party to that. I will not.
Ezioku. Okay, Chalo. So now you want to disappoint this nice girl that has been there for you. A girl that saved my life. She gave me back my life, turned you into a big man. Got contracts for you from the government. Now you want to disappoint her.
Mama, the same way Norma suffered for us. Norma suffered for us. Have you forgotten so soon? Norma sacrificed for us.
Talking about the sacrifice what that Norma did. What are we talking about? In short, there's no point saying anything. I don't even want to think about it because I am sure she is married. I mean, she had a lot of suitors coming her way. Some came by car, some on their bikes. Mandi Joko Webia. I'm sure she's long settled down by now.
No way, Mama. Norma will marry only me.
Akoko. Right from when you were a child. Norma will marry only you. Nah, it is not possible. I'm sure by now Norma has her own family. So why don't you move on?
Mama, she will wait for me now. She will wait.
She will wait for you. Nah. Ikamo. You need to go to bed. You've been here all this while. Biko, Chiechiko. Come and go to bed, please.
Mama, the problem is that you do not understand my plight. You don't understand the situation I'm in right now.
I understand. I'm your mother. Don't worry. God will see you through. He has always seen us through. Tomorrow is another day. And it will take care of itself. You know? Get up. Come and get to bed. Come on. Namominya.
So this is true. Chimaobi is now building a house. They said he is now a millionaire since he came back from Obodo Ibo. This life, is something else. My sister, everybody in this village is now running around Okaro. Mama Chimaobi, even the uncles and the brothers that abandoned them then is now showing a lot of concern. Because she now drives a big jeep. Oh, you know she can drive now. She has a driver. She has a driver now. Are you not in this village? Yeah. God, that woman has really suffered. Who doesn't know her story in this village?
Hey. My major concern is Norma. That girl has rejected a lot of suitors, all in the name of waiting for Chimaobi. I pray he marries her.
That one is your concern. Me, I'm happy that God has finally remembered Okaro. Let that boy marry her. That's my own. Because it's not easy. This one. Yeah?
Uncle.
Nani, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ada. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What about our son, Chimaobi?
Chimaobi, he's in Abuja.
Hey, Ada, I learned you sleep in a hotel at Owerri each time you come back.
Nani, it's true. It's true.
That house belongs to your father. And nobody is pursuing you and your son away from that house. It's better you take a room there than wasting money unnecessarily in the hotel. It's not good, Ada.
It's okay, Nani. I feel comfortable staying in the hotel. Well,
if you say so. Okay, if you get back to Abuja, tell our son Chimaobi that just tell him to make time to visit you. That I have a very crucial matter to discuss with him.
Nani, I will let him know. I was already on my way.
Hey, okay, let me be on my way too. Hey. In fact, I really thank God for the work. The work is going on.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Madam. How are you?
Mama. No. Hey. Nwokoye, you put someone. Our Rob is someone in the village. You're looking well. Hey, Mama. How are you? Mama, I'm fine. No, I am fine. But it's just I've not seen Chimaobi since he came back from Obodo Ibo. Hey, Mama. I'm just wondering why he hasn't taken out small time to come and see me. Or is he fair? Man, please forgive him. It's just that Chimaobi is a very busy man. He sits with the president and ministers and make business. Even when he's with them and you call him, will phone on your president again? I'm telling you. He's not a big man, no. He is, though. Yeah, he is. But, Mama, is he so busy that he cannot at least leave that president small and talk to me? How come more normal? Normal, if you could be joking. But let me tell you the truth, because I wouldn't want to lie to you. Chimaobi doesn't even think of you anymore. All the too busy. Contracts eba and eba. When kefana lifting oil. Yeah. I got up on me business and mechanical. You got to go one name. So because Kibayalo. Hey, I'm a Mongwane. Come on, Chimaobi should be the one telling you. Manakan Wiley. For Chimaobi is about to I'm sure Chimaobi is married. Onu go nwunye. Oba really say about. And Mama,
Ese. Mama, what did you say?
Hey, because now. Ask Kwam Kanga.
Mama, what did you say?
I said I shouldn't be the one to tell you. Man, I can't just leave you. Hey, what papa you okay? Get driver, where is that driver?
Chimobi, we promised not to leave each other, no matter the circumstances. I sacrificed everything. Chimobi, I went through hell. I went through fire just because of this love. I sacrificed everything. The only thing I did not sacrifice was my life. But now, you have taken away that life from me. You have killed me. Chimobi, you have killed me. Anything I do, let the consequences be on your head, the head of your children, and the head of your children's children.
It's okay. Don't feel like it's okay. No. Don't care. Don't yourself. It's okay. How can you feel like just feel like that? Yeah? It's okay. No, I'm not. It's okay. Come on, let me take it from you. It's okay. Let's go. Let us go. Let's go. Even more, let's go. Where is your phone?
Hey! So this is how I would have become childless overnight. Chukwu
Mazi, you have to thank your God. Kenebejili, it's God that actually sent me here to save her life.
You would have left her there to die.
Makagini. Makagini.
Who robber? Huh?
Nah, thank you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Don't mind my husband.
No. Marry? Never would not. She would not. Huh? And all the men that came to seek her hand in marriage, you know what she did? She ended up disgracing herself and not me. Why? Because she's waiting for that good for nothing bastard of no reputation. Now the boy has made money in the city and he has abandoned her to rot here. Nonsense.
Stop saying that. Stop saying it. If anything had happened to her, this is what you'll be saying. Akuya?
Mature to give up. What else do you expect me to say? Give it to uncle. Nah, no man. Where is your lover boy? Oh, look at the woman. Where is the boy? Where is he? Nonsense. You are crying. Huh?
Stop saying that to her, please. Stop saying that to her.
Crying is not the answer. Is it the answer? Where is your lover boy? And you are crying.
It's okay, business.
This is just the beginning, no? You've not started crying.
No, thank you. Oh.
No. If a child says his mother will not sleep, nonsense.
I said, what did you tell her?
I did not tell her anything.
You're lying to me? Huh? You're lying to me. What did you tell her?
Wait, let me remember. What did I tell? Okay. Now, I told her that you're married.
What? You did what?
I told her you're married so she would leave you to concentrate on your new life, your new girl, your new home and your new job. And why didn't you in here?
Do you know the consequences of what you have done? Do you? You lied to an innocent girl because of money. Who told you you have a newfound love? Who told you? Who?
Chimaobi, what's going on here? Eh? What's going on here?
I don't know. This is not Chimaobi. This is not my son. This here is a monster.
You're trying me.
Honey, what is it? Why are you shouting at Mama? Mama? What's happening? Chimo!
Leave me. I want to be left alone.
I have to tell you. Leave him more. Because of normal, you're harassing me. I want to go back there, so I'll be suffering. You want to beat me up? Nonsense. Go maybe see everything. Said to go.
Honey, what is the problem?
I'm fine.
No, you're not. You're not. Please talk to me. What's going on?
Nothing.
How can you say nothing? Okay, why did you shout at your mother?
Look, it's just a minor family misunderstanding. Nothing more.
Family misunderstanding? Baby, what am I to you? Am I not family to you? Am I a stranger to you now?
I never said that.
So why are you keeping this away from me? Talk to me, baby. Talk to me.
Babe, there's nothing to talk about, okay? I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Just trust me.
don't know what went wrong. He suddenly changed. It seems he doesn't want to be with me anymore. Every little thing I do now irritates him. He just flips at me over every little issue.
Why is this happening now?
You know I never wanted to give my heart to any man. Not after what happened to me with Charles. And you lured me into this. Now I'm in love with him and the whole thing is affecting me seriously. It is.
Are you sure he's not seeing somebody else?
He's not.
Are you sure?
Yes. I have my eyes on him. I mean, all his staff are my people. Yeah. I planted them there to monitor his every move. His cooks, his drivers, his security man, they're all my people. I mean, come on, you didn't expect me to play loose with him. Not after my experience with Charles. No.
God, why the change? I mean, why is he behaving like this now?
I don't know. Seems more like a spiritual problem to me.
Spiritual?
Sort of.
That's serious. Are you serious?
Honey. Babe.
I'm listening.
Baby, please. If there's any way I've offended you, forgive me. I can't continue like this. I mean, I'm human and we make mistakes. I'm not perfect. I've really come to love you. So much, like never before. I've built my world around you and I don't think I can ever live without you. I can't. Please. Baby. If it's something you don't like about me, just say it. Just say it and I'll change. Please. Hey, please. Please.
It's okay. I'm not angry anymore.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Then kiss me. Make love to me.
With all pleasure.
No. You're still crying. Crying will not change anything. That man doesn't want your tears at all. Wipe those tears and let's go to bed.
Mama, I love him. I love him so much. And I don't think I will ever live without him, Mama.
You can live without him. Asi. You can live without him. It's just a matter of time. Time, they say, is the greatest healer. With time, you forget about him and you move on with your life.
No, Mama, I don't think it will be possible.
It's possible.
It's not possible, Mama. It's not possible.
Nigeria is not possible. Because you chanya, let's go inside. Let's go.
Mama, I don't want to go to bed yet. I want to stay here.
Bini, let's go inside. He doesn't want your tears. It's okay. You will forget about him soon and move on with your life. He doesn't want your tears.
Yes? Who are they look for? Please, we are looking for Chimobi's house. I hope this is his house.
Yes, Naye. Oh, thank God. Oh. We are his brothers. Yes. Just tell him that his uncles are here to see him.
Okay, I'm coming. Please, tell him it's his uncle, Ekene, and his mother's uncle, Ichendo.
All this old man. Don't be waiting if he tell me no. Now I won't repeat it again. No problem.
You say
no, now come inside. Also, no carry anything inside this bag.
No.
Only my snuff and my small man.
Yeah, go inside.
Our daughter. The reason why we are here is to address an issue. Something came up recently.
Yes.
And what is this issue that came up?
About Chimobi's paternity.
How? Why? What are you talking about?
Please, sister, tell us the truth. Who is the father of Chimobi?
I mean, why are we talking about this? What is the reason for this?
The reason is that your cousin, your mother's elder brother's son, Obiajuru, came to our place with some of his kinsmen, claiming that he is Chimobi's father. That they have come to perform the cleansing rituals so that they will have him back. Are there many men?
What? What are you talking about?
Sister, is it true?
Mama, please, sister, tell us the truth. Who is Chimobi's father?
Inky baby.
What?
Inky, do you know you're a very beautiful girl?
How come you're just noticing it now? I've been staying in my maternal home for the past 2 weeks and you're just noticing it.
See, it's just the both of us alone. Let's go inside and let's do it.
Go inside and do it. Are you out of your mind? Huh? What is wrong with you? You want us to go inside and commit Ebele?
Yes, now.
You don't know it's a taboo for me and you to have an affair.
Which taboo? Nobody will know now. It's just the both of us.
Obi, take your time, oh. Take your time. I am not interested. Now get out of the room. Mind yourself.
We must do this thing, oh.
Obi.
We must do it, and today.
I am warning you, oh. I am warning you, Obi. Stay away from me.
Inky, now we must do this.
Obi.
Okay. Obi! I'm not getting tonto! Ah! Obi!
You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. Please forgive me. I said I'm very sorry. Please.
I will tell grandmother what you did to me. I will tell her. Let her come back.
I said I'm very sorry. It was the handwork of the devil. I don't know what came over me. Please.
So when I was telling you to leave me alone, why didn't you leave me alone? Why?
Pinky, please. Okay, I'll stop crying now, okay? Stop crying. Mama will soon come.
Let her come back. I will tell her for you.
You will tell her?
Yes.
Oh, so you want them to stone me to death, Abi? You want them to kill me? Okay, you can go ahead. Go ahead and tell her. Is it not death? I'll just die now.
So who is talking about that here? Who is talking about that here?
You don't know that if you tell anyone what I did to you, it's a taboo. And the consequence is that the person involved will be taken to the market square and stoned to death.
Hey! Onyasi.
Me, Onyasi.
Yes.
Ask anybody. It's a taboo for close relations to have sex in our village. Don't you know? The person will be stoned to death because the person is assumed to be an evil child.
So when you're not into taboo, why did you stop doing it?
That is why I told you that it was the devil's handwork. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. Please, forgive me now. Please. I'm sorry now.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
See, let me tell you, I've not seen my menstruation for the past 2 months. It's like I'm pregnant too.
Is this a kind of joke? Nkiru, this is not something to joke about, okay?
Who is joking with you here? And I'm telling you I'm pregnant and you're calling it a joke.
Hey.
I'm not joking, I'm pregnant.
Hey, Nkiru.
What is it?
We are finished. Nkiru, we are dead.
Why are you talking like that?
Is this how we end up our lives?
Why are you talking like that? Huh? Now that you were doing it, I told you.
Nkiru, see, don't you know that if this pregnancy shows up now, and you tell people that your cousin is responsible for it, don't you know that the both of us will be taken to the village square and stoned to death? Don't you know?
Hey! It's a lie.
I'm not lying, Nikki. I'm not lying. Don't you know that it's a taboo for a cousin to impregnate his cousin? See, the best thing for we to do now is to keep this pregnancy secret. If not, the both of us will be taken to the village square and stoned to death. Don't you know?
So who would I say that I got me pregnant?
Must you call me? Is it every question that you answer? See, the only thing we will do now is to keep this thing secret between the both of us and not allow anyone hear it. Or do you want to die?
God forbid.
Fine. Then since you don't want to die, then let's keep this secret between the both of us, okay?
Hey! See what you have caused now.
You want to kill her? You've been meeting her since. You want to kill her? What is it?
Ndokako.
You want to kill her?
Get out of my way. Let me kill her. Let me kill her, Ndokako. This girl is so hard-hearted. Can you imagine? Since morning, I've been asking her to tell me who got her pregnant. Wait for me, but she wouldn't tell me. I want me to clap for her. I will kill her today.
Why now? Tell your father who got you pregnant. He has been beating you since you came back. Tell him who got you pregnant so he will stop beating you. See, you soon deliver. You soon put to bed. And what? I don't want anything to happen to this baby.
Put what to bed? Megan.
Ow! Papa! It's okay, it's okay.
Over my dead body will she put to bed in this house? Advise her to take calls to that man who got her pregnant. so that we will force that man to marry her. That would be the only option. Or this house will not contain the both of us.
It hasn't gotten to
Mama, it has gotten to it. It has. Now, Ndu. Ekene, get out of my house. Or else I will get you arrested and jailed. Before the count of, we are leaving. 1, we are leaving. You're still sitting down. 2, 3.
Do you know why we're going? We are leaving your house.
Now get out.
Don't forget your bag. Your bag.
Check, let me tell you.
Get out of my house.
No, Mommy.
Mama.
Look, I understand how you feel about my uncle and my brother. But Biko, Mama, forgive them. Forgive them so that you can get the most important thing that you need in life.
Which is?
Identity. Identity. Look at them. They are now ready to accept you as one of theirs. Eh? Let bygones be bygones so that we can move on. You will have people to call your own kinsmen. Umunai, anything that happens, you know where to go to. You know where you belong.
Mama, look, I understand what you're trying to say. But what stops me from going with my own real kinsmen? My father's people.
It is a taboo.
Mama, they said they are ready to perform the cleansing rituals. I'd rather stick with my own people than your own people that left you to the point of death, abandoned you, and now they surface from nowhere because God has smiled on us.
Nah. Look, Mama, what I'm trying...
Mama, this is my decision on this issue, and it is final. How are you?
I'm not fine. Just missing you.
Missing me? We were together last night.
Like that's ever enough. Anyway, for today, I want to take your baby out to lunch.
And that's all you want?
Yes, that's all I want.
Okay. Break time. Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, yay! That's my baby.
Yeah. Okay.
Where are we going?
That will be a secret. Let me get this for you.
Hey,
Yes, babe.
there's something I'd like to discuss with you.
What?
My people are getting worried. I told you about my last experience with my ex. Hey, when are you coming to see my people? I mean, when are we going to make this thing official? Honey, did I say something? Did I say something wrong?
No.
So why are you not happy?
Look, it's not that I'm not happy per se. It's just that I'm thinking. I'm thinking this is not the time, and maybe you're being too fast, too forward.
I'm not, babe. I mean, we've been dating for over 9 months now. Besides, my people are worried. They wouldn't want me to go through what I did with my ex.
It's okay. It's all right. Let's eat, okay? Let's not. This is not the time to discuss this. We'll talk about it later. But I'll be the one to bring it up, not you. Okay?
Baby, I'm sorry. It's not like I don't trust you or that I feel insecure with you. It's just I want to be with you all the time. I want to be called your wife. Let's eat.
Obin. 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 Hey. Obin. Obin, is this really you? Obin. Obim! Obim!
Baby, are you alright?
I need to talk to you. I need to talk.
What's the problem, honey? Talk to me.
I lied to you.
About what?
About that girl you saw when you came to my place in the village.
Okay, what about her?
She's not my sister.
Who's she then?
She's the girl I love. My soulmate.
What's the meaning of this madness?
Baby, I have to tell you the truth right now. Because we can't build this thing on a lie. If we do, it will fail you and it will fail me in the end.
And what is the truth?
The truth is, I love this girl. And she loves me too. We made a promise. We made a promise to each other not to leave each other no matter what. Look, I never knew I was going to see you again. I never planned to see you again. But you came looking for me in the village. You gave me hope. You gave me a reason to live. But now, my past is haunting me. My conscience pricks me. I feel like I've betrayed this girl.
Stop! Okay. What is happening now? Baby, please stop me. You're joking. Stop me. You're pulling my legs, please.
I wish I could. I swear, I wish I could. Look, I can give you back everything you ever gave me. As long as you give me peace of mind, because that's the only thing that is important to me right now. Baby, I've come to love you too. I've come to love you too so much. But I can't stay with you, because I won't be happy. Can't you see? I won't forgive myself. You won't be happy. We won't be happy in this marriage. Why would you want to stay with a man whose body and soul belongs to another woman? Why? Go! Why would you want to stay with a man who, no matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, you can never make him happy?
Go! Go, Miles! Go! Leave my house! Just get out!
It's okay, it's okay. Stop crying. You've been crying too much. It's okay.
Why is this happening to me, Anne? Why? Can't I just have the man I love? Why did they always have to wait until I've invested my time, my money, my everything before they leave? Why? What kind of fate is this?
I don't know why this is happening. I really don't know. But I know every disappointment is a blessing in disguise. And I know fate has so much in stock for you. Please, just stop.
I'm going to strip him of everything I gave him. Everything!
Is that necessary?
What do you mean?
I mean, Chimaobi is a good guy. You went to him. He didn't come to you. I was the one who pushed you, I know, fine. But I mean, okay, look at it this way. You were meant to save his mother's life and change his destiny.
So, what did I gain by doing all that?
You saved a life. I mean, you put a smile on somebody's face. You are a world changer. You changed his world.
Why is somebody not trying to put a smile on my own face?
Look at me. someone will put a smile on your face soon. I know that because you deserve it. Believe me, Kay.
I would have loved to just reduce him to the papa that he was before I picked him up. Let him feel what I'm feeling now.
Does he deserve that? Chimaobi is a sincere guy. At least he told you things the way they are. Yes, he's not a gold digger. He didn't break your heart. He's just a product of destiny. Please, just take it easy, please. Stop, Nelly, stop, Nelly, stop. Nelly, stop. Stop it.
Chimaobi, why? After all I told you, after what we talked about, why?
Mama, because my heart, my soul, my body belong to another. I'm going back to my true love.
Have you thought about the consequences of your action? What is going to happen after everything?
What will happen? What? Look, I'll call Nelly and I'll personally hand over everything back to her. Her company documents, her house keys, her car keys, every single thing.
And what about the house in the village?
If she wants that one, I'll give it back to her too. Hey. I mean, what will it profit me to have all those things, all the good things of life, and then I'll have no joy, no happiness, no peace of mind? No. Doesn't make any sense. Norma is the source of my true joy.
What about her father?
Mama, the same way that you cannot stop me from marrying the one that I want to marry, that's the same way that neither her father nor anyone else can stop her from marrying who she wants to marry. Me.
What makes you think Norma would be there waiting for you after all that I told her?
No. She won't. She'll wait for me.
And what makes you too sure of yourself?
I am. She belongs to me, and I belong to her.
Wait. Our in-laws cannot come from nowhere and start to reap from here they have not sown.
Oh.
From beginning of the pregnancy till when the baby was born, they were nowhere. Even during the raising of the baby, they were not found. So how could they now come from nowhere and start to lay claim to the boy?
Adememe. Anyoga hapuzo mena na mebezo menenu.
Oh no, what?
Anememe. He has no right over that boy because he did not pay the bride price of the mother. He did not even perform the cleansing rituals that would have qualified him to have the boy. So how can he just come and start laying claim over the boy? In fact, he's just a joker.
Chimaobi is our son. Nobody will take him away from us. Nobody! And even
yeah,
he's going to no place. I mean it.
But Ichendo, there's problem.
Which was the problem?
See, the boy himself refused to identify with us. So what are we going to do? Are we going to force him to identify with us, or what do we do? That's my problem.
Just forget about those displays of this. You see, last time you and I visited this place in the city, the little boy was trying to express his anger.
But you know what happened? He threatened to lock us up with police.
Remember that?
He even chased us out of his house.
Remember that he's still a small kid.
Okay.
So he's going to no place. He belongs to us.
That's it.
What? Is it not so?
What?
Exactly.
Amen. Amen.
Are you not going to work today?
Which work? Mommy, I'm just I'm just waiting for the appropriate time to go back to Nelly, thank her for all she has done for us and give everything back to her.
Don't tell me that kind of story.
So just get ready because we're going to leave this house and leave everything for her. I'm going back to the woman I love.
Story. You're going back to where? Come and carry me to the village. Love on now.
Don't go, okay? Just stay. Stay here. Let the owner of the house come and push you out by herself.
She can't do anything. I'm not going back. Don't even say that kind of rubbish. Instead of you to go to Nelly, and then you people will start planning for your wedding. And then we'll move on. In
Aliban, if you love her so much, then go and marry her yourself.
I will marry her for you. I will marry her and I will drop you and you will get her pregnant.
Nelly, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for all the pains that I've caused you. It wasn't intentional, believe me, it wasn't. I'm so sorry. I never meant to hurt you. Never. Believe me. I was in a tight fix and everything I did for you. Believe it or not, everything I did for you. It was better I told you the truth rather than lie to you and you find out from somewhere else later on. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Nelly. Please forgive me. Please, Nelly. I'm so sorry. I appreciate everything you did for my mother and I, everything you've done for us, and I'll be forever indebted to you. I'm here to return everything. Everything. The cars, the house, the company, everything. As long as it will make you happy.
No.
I'm sorry.
No. Don't worry. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Just go to the one you love, okay? I'm fine. I love you and I'll always love you. I will. You can have everything. Just take everything. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I know you'll be fine, okay?
Oh my goodness! Nelly! Charles!
Come. Where have you been?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Well, you know, we lost some contacts. And I've been in the UK all this while. I've been in jail. I just came back to Nigeria 2 weeks ago and I asked after you. And they said you made fine trip.
Well, I hope you are not just trying to put up a show with all this.
No. Let's just go inside, have some drinks, eat, then we talk more. I've been praying for God for a day like this. Come on, lady angel.
How could you, Charles? How could you do this to me after everything I did for you? You told me you were only going to the UK to upgrade your skills, only for you to get there, not even a phone call. You just made me a laughingstock before my family and my friends.
Baby, believe me. It wasn't my fault. I love you and I will always do. Baby, you know, I can never plan of leaving you.
It was the fault of the UK police.
What about them?
You know, they had my picture. Someone gave them an information that was coming in. So when I stopped my foot on the airport, I was apprehended and stripped from everything I was having, straight to the jail.
Why would they do a thing like that?
Apparently we had some issues and I thought everything has been settled. But when I came into the airport, I was caught. But thank God, I finished serving my 3 years jail term and I'm a free man.
Oh my God. So you mean you were still thinking about me all those years?
For real. Every morning, I woke up in the jail. I just made a certain prayer. I said, Father Lord, I commit my pretty damsel Nelly into your hands. Keep her away from men and deceivers. You know? So to cut the long story short, when I made it outside, I looked into your fingers and I wasn't seeing any ring. And I thank God that my prayers has been answered.
So what makes you think I'm not into any relationship now?
Well, I'm here right now. I'm the rightful owner. Every other person was a thief. So once the rightful owner is here, every thief goes hiding.
Charles, you haven't changed at all.
Wow. Skip my memory. When are we getting married?
So fast?
Yeah, you don't know what it means. All these 3 whole years without you. It takes only God for someone to survive. No hug, no kisses, no cuddling, nothing.
I'm confused here.
It's a lie.
Mama, I am not lying. I'm not lying. She told me to take everything and leave nothing for her. I'm serious.
This girl is an angel. Oh, angel Gabriel called Gabriela. Hey!
Mama, I mean, I couldn't even believe my ears when she said it to me. She said, Chima, take everything.
Take everything.
Leave nothing for me.
Leave nothing. Hey! To you be all thanks and honor. Now you are free to marry your Norma.
About that, I'm actually thinking in a different direction.
Direction?
Okay, check this. How much does this girl love me? Or how could she love me so much that she sacrificed everything for me? Everything, including her happiness. It's unbelievable.
So, okay, features. Are you not the one that told me that you and Norma are meant for each other?
Mama.
No direction. Either this way or that way. And I'm not fair.
The reason I brought you out here is to have a one-on-one with you before going to see Uncle.
Okay.
I'm sorry about what happened the other day. I'm sorry about the way I overreacted. I know I overreacted, but it's because of the anger and depression from all that I've been through. I'm sure you understand.
No, my son, you don't have to do that. You don't have to apologize to us. We are the one that should apologize to you. In fact, we really treated you and your mother bad. So I want you to find a place in your heart and forgive us. Whatever we did was in ignorance. One more thing. I want you to know that this is your rightful home. So you are welcome home, my son.
It is well. Thank you. Thank you very much. And you're getting married though.
Oh, congratulations in advance.
I want you to go to who was coming.
I will go. No, I don't have to handle my brother.
Once again, you are welcome, my in-laws. You see, I am very happy today.
We also happy.
This is because what was destined to be has finally come to be. After all trials and oppositions, my daughter, my beloved daughter, Nemoma, has now decided to marry Nelson.
Adam?
Hey, Adam.
Nine, please. I've heard what you say, but I'd like to hear it from her mouth.
Oh.
I want her to say it. Okay? Nne, I want to ask you, have you agreed to marry me?
Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You came! You came!
I told you I'll come back.
Hell!
What is this?
This is bullshit!
What the fuck?
Oh man,
I can't believe this.
No matter the circumstances, they may do man, even Kevo, Abu Kevo. Okwi manam fulo ginanya, Okwi manibo amunile. Ezio kwa mami fechi abu, mano tobu no sidi, muna gibofu. Idi washo. Onyoma odi novio, Onyoma inom novio. No matter the circumstances, they may do man, even Kevo, Abu Kevo. Onyoma odi novio, Onyoma inom novio. No matter the circumstances, they may be man, even Kevo, Abu Kevo. Okwi manam fulo ginanya, Okwi manibo amunile. Ezio kwa mami fechi abu, mano tobu no sidi, muna gibofu. Idi washo. Onyoma odi novio.